Hey there, Jonathan from Rain Brothers. We're here on a flat roof at a police headquarters here in Grove City, Ohio, and we're getting ready to put down a blue roof system on this portion of the roof. And a blue roof system is it's like a green roof minus the plant material. It slows the rain event, filters the water, and really helps improve the storm sewer quality as well as the discharge going into our rivers and streams. So it's a very cost-effective way to manage water effectively to meet EPA requirements. So first step is to inspect the EPDM liner, or whatever the waterproof membrane is on your existing roof. And then the next step, we laid down 2 layers of geotextile fabric, which is this lightweight. It's a filtration fabric, but it's also permeable at a very high flow rate. And this is just a protection layer to protect the existing waterproof membrane. Okay, so after we put the geotextile down to protect that liner, we next put a layer of expanded shale, which is a manufactured lightweight aggregate, especially designed for rooftop loads where lightweight applications are necessary. We use this as a drainage layer between the blue roof berm and the geotextile membrane that we just put down. And we space it, we cut a bunch of pipe to our depth, in this case 1 inch, put these spacers down along the geotextile, and then level it out to this level. So these are level markers, easy way to get a nice level surface for our blue roof berm. So we're up here now, we laid out the berm fabric, which is the same as the geotextile membrane, the protection layer. Again, it's a high flow through material, and Joshua here is putting the berm logs into the fabric. As you can see, they just slide in to create the walls of the berm. We have the blue roof berm down now. You can see the side walls with the yellow logs on the side. Again, this is our final layer before we put a couple more inches of the expanded shale aggregate down. Alright, so now we've filled the berm, the blue roof berm, with the expanded shale aggregate. We got a couple inches in here, which completes the installation. Again, this expanded shale will act as a filtration media, but also it will absorb some of the storm water that comes in and evaporate it at a later point, thus slowing and lessening the impact on the storm sewer.